1, go!
And they're off. We have autonomous mode. 2974, that's Walton Robotics. Putting a piece in a coral into the Red Alliance. We have a piece of coral on the top rung of Blue Alliance, giving them 7 points. At the end of autonomous mode, we're at 23-9 in favor of the blue, and that sound means the drivers are now in charge of the robots. The Red Alliance comes in to have 2 teams, placing both of their coral on the top tier, giving them 5 points apiece, so giving them an additional 10 points. Over on the Blue Alliance side, we've got 2 pieces of coral on that top tier as well. Another one goes on the red tier. And Team 1002, the Circuit Runners, able to get a piece of coral on that top tier to give them 5 points. Walton Robotics getting into another opportunity to get the top tier, and does, and gets another 5 points for Walton Robotics for the Red Alliance. Team 1002, the Circuit Runners, with 5 points for their Blue Alliance team on this qualifying match. Team 1648 raises a piece of coral to that top level, trying to get that 5 points, and it goes. G3 Robotics with 5 points for the Blue Alliance in this match, 43-38, as we approach the 70-second mark. $29.74. Walton Robotics gets a piece on the top tier, as does the Circuit Runners. As do the Circuit Runners again, get their piece on the top tier. Walton Robotics gets another piece for the Red Alliance, 47-53, under a minute to go in this qualifying match. The Blue Alliance gets another piece on that top tier, as does the Red Alliance from the help of Walton Robotics. So we're at 56-58, 30 seconds to go in the match. And we've got another one on the red side, another one coming right there, 29-74, Walton Robotics. 66-63 as we enter the sound of the sonar, meaning we are in the end game, last 20 seconds of the match. 10 seconds remaining in the match as teams attempt to get back to that barge zone where the cages are located. And the Red Alliance is trying to process a piece of algae, and it does go through. Not sure if that'll count based on the timing. But at the end of the match, preliminary scores, Red Alliance 72, Blue Alliance 68, waiting for final word from the officials. And the official score is in, and the red fish are released, the red team. The Red Alliance wins that match. Congratulations to Plutonium Panthers, Storm Robotics, and Walton Robotics. Final score in a close match, 76 for the Red Alliance, 74 for the Blue Alliance. The blue team does get ranking points for their use of the automation. The autonomous mode, getting points there, helping them with their ranking points. Both teams in a very close match, but the final winner is the Red Alliance, Plutonium Panthers, Storm Robotics, and Walton Robotics. Congratulations to the red team.